Hi guys, today we're doing reading comprehension. Come join us.
Yeah!
All right, come on, let's get reading. We're gonna read our passage. Our passage is called At the Vet. All right, let's start reading. Good job.
I have a pet.
Good job.
But my
Yes.
pet
Good
got
job.
wet.
Okay. So I have a pet, but my pet got wet. That's the first sentence, okay?
Yeah.
Good job. So we're learning the et right now, the et, I think. So at the vet. So I think we're gonna be learning the et, et. Okay? So let's keep reading. Let's see what it says.
My
Good job.
pet
Good job.
can.
Good job. That was a sight word. That was one of your first sight words. Good job.
Note.
Note. Is note a real word?
No.
Okay.
Not.
Not. You see? Good job. It's just a lot of reading. English doesn't always make sense. Emmy girl, you know, some letters, some words make different sounds, but if you have repetition means you do things over and over and over, then you'll learn. You'll recognize words and you'll be able to read them faster, okay? So my pet cannot, what is this word?
Get.
Wet. This is a long word. You know this word? Try to sound it out. It's tough.
Because.
Oh, so you recognize that word then, right? It's a sight word?
It's a sight word.
Good job.
Number 3, what I'm on right now.
You're on your third page of sight words? We're going to do a sight word video too, okay? My pet cannot get wet because...
He is
Good job.
sick.
Uh-huh. Because he is sick.
We took
Good job. We took, very good.
my pet to the vet.
Good job. So we took him to the vet. Et. We took my pet to the vet. All right.
To the
2 more sentences. You ready?
We let the vet
Good job.
look at my pet.
Good job. Last sentence, guys. We're almost done. Then we can answer these questions. You're doing great. So we're learning the et. So anytime you see any letter in front of it, you sound out that letter, and the et always makes et. Et. Okay? He
Feels
So he feels, what's this word? You know this word? This is tough too.
better.
So
He is happy.
okay, he feels better, so he is happy. What's this last word? So if I had this word right here, O-W-L, what does that spell? What does N make?
Now.
Good job. He feels better, so he's happy now. All right, let's run through all these questions. You ready?
Yeah.
It says, my pet is a, what's this word? I don't think so.
He's not a frog.
I don't think so. He is a...
Cat.
No. Look at him. He's right there. What does he look like?
No. He's not a cat.
No. So what is he?
Look at his eyes.
What is he? What kind of animal is this?
He's a dog.
He's a dog. Can you spell dog for me?
D-O-G.
Good job. Good job. All right. Number 2.
The dog got
Good job. The dog got
wet.
The dog got wet. Now read the next question. Go.
Does he
Right.
look happy?
Does he look happy? What did the passage tell us? It says he feels better, so he is.
Happy.
So what's the answer? Yes or no? Yes.
No.
No.
He feels happy.
He feels happy. He's not sad. Okay, so we have 3 more questions. We're almost done, okay? All right, number 3. It says, what is the problem with the pet?
He got wet.
Yeah, so the pet got wet. I think that's a good sentence. What do you think?
Yeah.
2 more, we're done, guys. Thanks for hanging in there. If you guys like the videos, please give us a like and do what, Emmy girl?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Thank you. Okay, I'll read the sentence, okay? You've done enough reading and you've done a great job. Where do they take the pet?
They take the pet to the vet.
That's a complete sentence. To the vet. That's a great answer. Go ahead, write it in right here. Capital T, good job. To the...
T
You know, this is a sight word.
H E. This is the easy side.
Good job. And then our vet word is the ET we're practicing. Last questions, guys. We made it. We made it through our homework sheet. Good job, guys.
Yeah.
All right. How do you know the dog is happy? How do we know he's happy?
Yeah, because he went to the vet and he was sick.
Yeah, because he feels better now.
E-R.
Good job. Better. The E-R. Period. But you did a good job. High five. Thank you for reading with us. Today, what did we learn? What was the main conjunction letters that we've learned today? What is this? An E?
E-T.
And what's this one? E-T. So, et. At the vet. Did you have fun?
At the vet. Yeah!
Thank you, Emmy girl. You're a rock star. Bye, guys. Thank you for sticking with us. Bye-bye.